Because when you are on your period, especially when you always have heavy flow, or when you are struggling with pains, crampings around this period, then there are foods that you need to avoid that will help you to stay free from all these issues. Yes, and those are the things I'm going to be shared in this video. So keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so very happy to have you guys here as always. Okay, my name is Glory. If you're new here, you're very much welcome. Okay, consider hitting that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Here I do mostly sit down videos about tips and ideas, experience that I've gained all through these years, and a lot more. Okay, especially when it comes to your health, in fact a lot. So hit that subscribe button. And all my channel subscribers, I am so glad to have you guys here back again. Like I said, today I am talking about food that you need to avoid during your periods. Okay, food that you need to avoid during your periods, especially when you're having heavy periods, or like heavy flow, or when you're having crampings around this time. Then there are foods that you will avoid to help you stay free from all these issues around this time. Okay, so the first food I'm talking about is red meat. Yes, I know you'll be surprised to hear that red meat is not needed around this time when you are on your periods. Yes, it's the truth, because your body produces prostaglandins, which helps to contract, okay, your uterine walls to help discharge your menses. Okay, so this is one thing that helps you to flow during this particular time. But when you are eating red meat, which contains prostaglandin, it is adding to the normal one that your body produces, which will make it excess in your body. So when you're eating too much of red meat around this period, you are adding a lot to your system, which will cause an extra contractions in your system, like in your stomach, and extra crampings, okay, and heavy flow too. This is the result of taking extra, okay, taking much of red meat during this period. Another thing I'm talking about, or another food I'm talking about you need to avoid, is fatty foods. Okay, like what I mean by fatty food is processed foods. This is not what you need around this time. Okay, because this causes inflammation in your body, and when you're having inflammation in your system, your menses will not be able to flow properly. It will not flow the way it's supposed to be, and that's when you see yourself having cramping. In fact, when you have PID or cyst or all those stuff, you see yourself having more of crampings around your period. That is because it's an inflammation in your system, and your flow, your system is trying to make a way for everything to come down, but there's a kind of blockage. There's a kind of everywhere is not free for your system to flow, like for your menses to flow properly, and that's where you see yourself having cramping and all that. So this is one other thing that causes cramping during that period. So if you want to help yourself and avoid cramping, then stay free from processed food. Next one is spicy food. I know that it might be tempting for you to like go for spicy food or hot food. Yes, it might be like it relieves your pain, but it can cause heavy flow. So allow your system to do its own naturally and eat normal foods, but not spicy. Too much spicy food is not what you need around this time. Okay, the last one I'm going to be talking about is coffee. Yes, coffee and alcohol. Yes, coffee and alcohol, when you take it a little, might not be of any harm to your system, but when you are indulging on it, like making it a habit to take it every day, morning and night, my sister, is not going to help your system, because it will cause heavy flow, and it's going to like disorganize your hormones, which is not what you need around this time. So if you want to enjoy yourself, rather allow your system to do its thing around this period. Within few days of you seeing your period, after that you can go ahead and enjoy yourself. So the best thing for you to do is to place yourself on extra, like be drinking more of water, okay, rather than alcohol and coffee. Okay, so if you want it, you can take a little once in a while, but not making it a habit. So these are the foods that will cause extra harm to you, like causing crampings and heavy flow. And when you are passing through all these pains, it's not what you need. So since you know the things that you can avoid to help your system get better, to help your system feel better, then why not go for it? Because this is just for a few days, and after that you can go back to whatever you want, right? So that is it for today's video. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section, and see you guys in my next video.